Ostriches are flightless birds, with their great body size and reduced wing size rendering them incapable of flying. Ostriches are raised commercially for their meat, hide and feathers. Adult males stand 2.4 meter tall and can weigh well over 100 kilos. The hen is slightly smaller. Young ostriches reach full adult height at 18 months of age. The domesticated ostrich is mature at 2 to 3 years of age. The female matures slightly earlier than the male. Domesticated ostriches are kept with one male and one female or one male and two females for the breeding season. Ostriches are seasonal breeders, breeding only during particular seasons of the year. In the Northern Hemisphere, breeding commences during March and ends around August or September, while in the Southern Hemisphere it begins around July or August and finishes by the end of March. The ostrich lays the largest egg of any living bird. Ostrich egg weighs about 1900 grams. High-producing females lay between 80 to 100 eggs during the breeding season. Ostriches are omnivorous, meaning they consume a variety of plants, grasses, grains, insects, lizards, and small rodents. Farm-raised ostriches are usually fed a balanced diet of commercially available feeds. An adult ostrich typically consumes up to 1.8 kilos of food every day. Large birds can drink several gallons of water each day. Build a simple shelter measuring at least 10 to 12 feet in height to protect the birds from harsh weather, and construct a fence to prevent the ostriches from escaping. The space that you need for a breeding trio is approximately 30 meters by 50 meters, a total of 1,500 square meters. Having more space is optimal, as it would allow the ostriches to run and live more happily. Ostrich skin is considered to be one of the most luxurious leathers. Ostrich leather is thick, durable, and extremely soft, and can be manufactured into a variety of products, such as shoes, bags, purses, and jackets. Ostriches produce red meat that is significantly lower in fat and cholesterol than in other animals. The meat may be an attractive food item for health-conscious consumers. Good quality feathers are mostly harvested from adult breeding birds. Feathers have additional uses as dust removal tools in the automobile and home goods markets.